On this video, the hairbender Diego will be reproducing the style of Ken VIXX. To start this haircut, we recommend that you do a horseshoe shape on the top to divide the top area from the bottom area. As you can see, Diego is going around the horseshoe shape from one side to the other, creating a way line. To create this way line, it's recommended to use a point cutting technique so it doesn't look too solid. Once you get the two sides done, you can start using this guide as a reference to cut flat around the curve of the back. As you can see on the graphic, we are cutting on the midsection of the head. Check out the graphic to see the neutral angle that Diego is using. Using the clippers and the comb, cut the hair from the bottom up to connect to the way line that you just created. As you can see, he moves out as he gets closer to the way line. For this one, I recommend the number 2 comb into your clippers. But if you prefer or your client prefers shorter, you can use any number that you think is convenient. Take your time with your trimmers to clean up the nape and make those sideburns really sharp. As you all know by now, for Diego and myself, the Coco tools is the way to go. Here you can see Diego using the sear over comb technique with the blending sears. When you have very straight hair like this particular model, this technique is going to save your day. I use this technique all the time. To shape the bangs, Diego is using the freeform cutting technique with the razor and carving the hair on the direction that he wants it. This will allow you to create those bangs on pointy shapes. You can use this technique around the sides as well to soften the shape. To cut the top of the hair, he's using the condensed cutting technique by twisting the hair and using the texture etching shears to cut it. Now that the hair is dry, Diego can use any technique that he wants to tailor the style. Check out the techniques that he's using. Can you name them? To give it some texture, volume and direction, use the product you think is going to work best based on your client's hair. If you use a styling product, you can use the diffuser to actually dry the product into the hair and give it that extra volume and texture. To finish it off, you can finish with some wax or hairspray, whatever you prefer. This is going to be a great style if your face is square or round. If your face is diamond or heart shape, this is not going to be the best hairstyle for you, but it won't look bad either. Thank you, Diego, for creating this style for the hairbender community. This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.